So today I want to do something fun for the holidays. I want to put together a gingerbread house. Now I'm not making the gingerbread from scratch because it is rather complicated, but I did find this cute little gingerbread house kit that I'm going to go ahead into the kitchen, put it together, and just see how much time it takes to put it together and how easy it is and how much fun it is. So come on with me into the kitchen and we'll put this thing together. So as you can tell, I'm not really a decorator. I did my best. I started running out of icing, but it's really a cute idea and it's probably a lot of fun for families to do this together and have a conversation. And it does smell real good and it's going to get eaten really soon. But I'm not really a decorator. It is such a mess, but it looks real good. So, but I do hope that y'all have a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and a safe and Happy New Year. And I will see you guys next time.